Guys, this one brings a really smooth and effortless comfort right away. The fabric feels soft, airy, and barely there on the skin. It has a light sheer finish that looks subtle and elegant. Honestly, it's designed to keep things simple yet refined. The waistband rests gently without any tight grip. It fits naturally and moves with your body. Friends, this is perfect for all-day wear without any hassle. No irritation, no shifting, just a steady, relaxed feel. The stitching is clean and blends seamlessly into the design. Under clothes, it stays completely invisible. What stands out is the breathable texture. It keeps you cool and fresh throughout the day. The design is minimal but thoughtfully crafted. Nothing flashy, just pure understated style. It gives a calm and confident look. The cut allows free and easy movement. You won't feel restricted at any point. The material feels soft but still dependable. It holds its shape well after multiple washes. That makes it a great everyday option. The overall fit is balanced and comfortable. It adapts smoothly to your body shape, a perfect blend of ease and elegance. Definitely something you'll keep in rotation. A clean, classy essential that works every time, guys.